Hi, I'm Bill Babcock, and I'm going to talk about my past life at Krakatoa and some of Indonesia earthquake and tsunami. One night back in the late 70s and or early 80s, I was dreaming that I was on the island of Krakatoa and I knew it was going to blow up from volcanic eruption. Then I woke up. After I woke up, I realized that I was experiencing something from my previous life. I believe that we do have previous lives. Regarding of my previous life, I remember when I was in third or fourth grade, I was constantly drawing the erupting volcano. And I would think that has to do with my past life when I was in grade school drawing that. I had gone to the past life workshop and did mention that I was killed at the age of 15 years old. I had watched a documentary movie of Krakatoa and I did a pendulum test for yes and no answer on my past life. The documentary movie had shown the big eruption of the that occurred on August 26, 1883. There was a total of more than 36,000 people killed during the eruption, suffocation of volcanic ash, and tsunami. The movie showed the lighthouse at Sumatra was destroyed from tsunami. When I did a pendulum test, I got the answer that I was killed when I was 15 years old. I was killed from tsunami in the lighthouse with my father at Sumatra. I also got my father uh, had a psychic warning about the eruption. Apparently, my father didn't take the warning. The eruption of Krakatoa had almost destroyed the whole island. The lighthouse was destroyed by tsunami, only left the foundation. According to my pendulum test, the Krakatoa considered a supervolcano. Now I got what about the earthquake and tsunami at Indonesia? A few years ago, I had a dream being at the third world country in the old shabby house. There was a singing of open up the pearly gates, and then the big earthquake shake very badly. On December 26, 2004, the strong earthquake hit the island of tsunami in Indonesia. The magnitude was 9.1 to 9.3 earthquake, lasted unusual long 8-10 minutes and displaced estimated 1,600 kilometers long segment of the seafloor by 15 meters. The water column above the segment was first pushed up from generated a series of four waves traveling in the opposite direction. 15 minutes after the earthquake, the first tsunami hit the coast of Sumatra. Then suddenly the large single wave approaches, followed by an even faster bigger wave. The tsunami traveled for 8 hours across the entire Indian Ocean, bringing destruction and death of the coast of Indonesia, Thailand, Sri Lanka, India, Kenya, and some flooding most of small islands. And smaller islands was completely in the Indian Ocean. The tsunami of Christmas 2004 killed more than 230,000 people and even more was injured. The tsunami did hit, which was the same area tsunami that came from eruption Krakatoa. And on 1883. There must be a coincidence of the biggest tsunami from Krakatoa of 1883 and from Indonesia earthquake from 2004. Well, this is it for now, and if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button. And I'm signing off, and God bless.